Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to the Medicos Notebook. The part 2 of the irreversible cell injury, and today we will discuss morphology. There are two main morphologic correlates: cellular swelling and fatty changes. Let's talk about the cellular swellings. Cellular swelling is associated with increased permeability of the plasma membrane. It is more apparent when the whole cell is involved. When many cells affected by the cellular swelling, the compression of the arteries and small capillaries happens, and it causes increased turgor and increased weight of the organ because accumulation of water in the organ. Microscopic examination shows a vacuoles of pinched off segments of the endoplasmic reticulum. Pinched off segments looks like this. For example, this is the segment. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. So a pinched off segments will look like this in the cell cytoplasm. So this whole mechanism is a non-lethal injury, and this is also called as hydropic change or vacuolar degeneration. Fatty changes. Fatty changes shows triglyceride containing lipid vacuoles in the cytoplasm. So increased fats in the cytoplasm, principally seen in the organs involved in the lipid metabolism, such as liver. So those organs that are involved in lipid metabolism or fat metabolism, such as liver, shows fatty changes. Other intracellular changes associated with cell injury includes plasma membrane alteration, such as blunting and distortion. Plasma membrane is damaged and it is distorted. For example, this type, and the fluid may seize out. Second, mitochondrial swelling and appearance of the phospholipid-rich amorphous densities. Detachment of the ribosome from the endoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear alteration due to the grouping of the chromatin. And cytoplasm may contain myelin fingers. Myelin fingers look like these, and it appears from the cell membrane, and it is seen in the cytoplasm of the cell. It is a collection of phospholipids. Myelin fingers are the collection of phospholipids. It's may seen, and cytoplasm may seen red in many cases. So this is the end of the reversible cell injury morphology. Hope you like it. Tell me your feedback. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.